Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Bard prompts and outputs easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Google Bard prompts and outputs, follow these simple steps. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Bard website. Log into your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the Bard interface, locate the conversation you wish to backup. Highlight the prompt and response you want to save. Right-click on the highlighted text to bring up the context menu. Select the copy option to copy the text to your clipboard. Open a text editor of your choice, such as Notepad or Microsoft Word. Create a new document in the text editor. Right-click in the document and select Paste to insert the copied text. Save the document by clicking on the File menu and then selecting Save As. Choose a location on your device where you want to store the backup. Give your file a relevant name to easily identify it later. Click Save to complete the backup process. Repeat these steps for any additional prompts and outputs you wish to save. If you want to backup multiple conversations, consider using screenshots. To take a screenshot, press the Print Screen button on your keyboard. Open an image editing tool, such as Paint. Paste the screenshot by pressing Ctrl+V. Save the image by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save As. Label the file appropriately for easy retrieval later. You now have a backup of your Google Bard prompts and outputs. This simple method ensures your valuable interactions are securely stored. Feel free to repeat the process whenever you have new prompts and outputs to save. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.